Sure. Ready. So do you know what's the next round?
Yeah, I know you all hate us, but we have to, in the end, only one has to win, or maybe three has to win. I would like you to take it in a positive way because no, everybody cannot win, and everybody's got different experiences and different confidence level and everything. Another thing is that please keep in mind failure is a part of success. Please keep in mind, take it in a positive attitude because the number of times you fail, the more number of times you will be successful. That's more important. I mean, it is not that putting you down or something. You have come to such out of so many contestants, you have come to this level, to this stage is also very important and also is because you're good, not because you are, not, I mean, not very good. I mean, you were good, that's why you came to this level. And I think that you all should smile because I see a lot of people not smiling. So, I mean, everybody wins in the world and, then this world would have been perfect. So, I would appreciate that you please take it positive. It doesn't make a difference to us because we'll walk out of this place and, we'll continue the work. But it'll make a lot of difference to you how do you take it forward from here. Yeah, thanks.
I don't think even V4 News and Volkswagen know some surprise packages. That is, I myself from the industry, we need day-to-day basis a lot of models and actresses. So apart from the three deserving contestants out of the four contestants which has been eliminated, so from my side, the V4 News will get in touch with you for modeling and other opportunities for Kavana, for you for modeling, and Susma for you for any dancing and any acting in films. And I think Maisie can get in touch with them for any anchoring if you're interested. I think they can be in touch with you. And what's your name? Okay. Yeah, so this is the thing. I think I will talk to V4 News and they will get in touch with you. So you're taking something back, each and everybody. So be positive about it and move forward from here.
Come on, girls, at least give us a smile. Don't hate us. Oh God, please don't do that. Ultimately, five people are going to hate us. Even if it would have been three out of you all also, then they would be in your places. But you all know. Maisie, you don't have to be a bad loser, not a sour one.
Yeah, I think you should tell, hello.
See, listen, what happens? Failure is a part of success, they say. I know this is such a common saying, but if you see to it, it actually does matures you. It gives you that experience. You need to face all this. And it's not like we are sitting over here and we've never faced failure. I still face failure even now. I still get rejected even now. It's not like I'm in the film industry right now and I'm acting with Shah Rukh Khan or Rajnikant. I do get rejected even now. So it's not like failures come only to you all, it comes to everybody. But you just have to accept it and know that you are going to be a part of something better. Maybe something better than this also. Right?
I
Okay.
see, even when she's been selected for movie, a lot of other photographs come, a lot of other girls have been audited. And then, maybe out of 10 or 15, she gets one or two. It's like that. But what I want to say is that Maisie walking out is hurt us because we are not some fool sitting out of here. She should know that she was not good among the top three, and she should know that she's not a judge. She was a participant, so she cannot judge herself, and that is a very bad attitude she's got. So that's one of the reasons she's not been selected. You can see very well why she's not selected, and she's proved herself. That is, I'm not good to talk over here, but we judges also are not fools sitting out of here because if she was good, she would have been a judge. So I just want to say that the rest four of you all, and out of the three also maybe one, two, and three will come and take it in a positive attitude. I told you from here how you take it up. It's up to you. It doesn't bother us. It doesn't relate if you walk out and anybody else walks. It doesn't bother us. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
So now we have three finalists who are going to go forward, and you'll will be having another round, that is the rapid round. Okay?
So next, shall we have boys?
It's time for the boys.
Please move on. ಸೊ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪುನ ಕುಲು 7 ಜನ ಬಾಕಿದ 3 ಜನ 2 ಜನ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು ಐದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ 3 ಜನ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು 1 ಜನ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ಬಾತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Neil had actually come here from all the way from abroad, but then due to some incident, one of his relative had an heart attack, so he had to go back. So very sorry about that, but then we have all the handsome hunks over here. ಸೊ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು 3 ಜನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಯಾರು 4 ಜನ ಇದರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ
Who's
ಹೋಗ.
going to get angry if you're not selected? Huh? Well, at least you are better than the girls. Some of them got angry. Smiling. Yeah, okay.
No feeling will be there. Oh shit. Will be there, right.
Actually, all of you all been rejected.
Okay, so I have the result in my hand. Okay, so I don't want to reveal it so fast, but then before that, I'll just let you know. Come on, you all are the winners, okay? And that's why you all are here. Okay, that's a good attitude, actually. I like it. Okay, and then only 3 will be selected because they have a specified reason for that. Okay, because they are the judges and they are everything. Whatever they say, that's final, done. But still, this is just a first step towards your journey. First step towards your journey. We have made a platform for that, and anymore you have to move on. Okay, and rest 3 will be having still more steps once you are selected. And rest, believe in yourself, you can do it. Okay, so the ones who are not selected, please don't be disheartened. Then I'm gonna read out your names. Please come one by one and collect your vouchers and certificates. Okay? Ready? So first one is Karthik Attawar. I'm really sorry. Congratulations. Saket Shetty. Akash Shetty. Abhinav.
Please come forward. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The top 3 finalists again. So you'll be having another round. Okay. So congratulations once again. And the rest, please don't lose hope. Okay.
So what would you like to tell them?
Sorry. First of all, I know you might be thinking in all the competitions like this, the judges talk about to the losers like this, but it's a fact that you have been successful. That is why you have come to this platform. You have been selected among, I think, more than 100, 200. I don't know how many were there over here, but you've been selected because you were the best among them. In the end, 3 have to win, and out of the 3, only one person has to win. So I think particularly in the boys' case, there was a lot of a tough decision for the 3rd and the 4th place. So finally we had to sort it, but you were good, and please, as I told the girls also, that Nikhil, from here you should learn something, and as I told, the more number of failures you have, the more number of successes you will have. So do not look at it as a failure, because there is always scope for improvement, and maybe in the next time you must learn and put some efforts, because I've seen most of the contestants have not put a lot of efforts, except saying that I've took part and I can win the contest. So you must put some efforts to to get yourself ready for being in this kind of a position and win an event. It's not easy to win an event just like that, just because you come and participate. So I think please take a positive attitude, that you have been lucky. I mean, you have been not lucky, sorry, you're good. That's why you have come to this level. So do not forget that. Yeah, thank you.
Guys, just don't lose heart, okay? And we've judged on different parameters, not just looks, but a lot of other different things. You guys are very handsome, good looking, good bodies and all. You're like young, yet to experience.
Already lost the heart,
You've got age at your side, so you've got a lot to experience. So all the best for your future. At least you all are not abusing us like the girls in your heart. All the best. Take
No, I think the most important aspect is you got the platform, so you improvise. Whatever we spoke, everybody is improvising, so you're learning something from this. So take it positive and go to the next level. You know.
Sorry, one more thing, keep in mind, Sushmita Sen became Miss Universe and Aishwarya Rai became Miss World, but Aishwarya Rai has got more fan following and more, she's got more movies than Sushmita Sen, so keep that in mind. So coming first is not important. Please understand that. That's an example I want to share, that's all. Thanks.
So all the best, all the contestants, and we have top 3 finalists. And we'll prepare you for the next round, but then before that, let's have a break.
Short break.
Please.